Here are 5 signs you are meant to be a creator kahit feeling mo huli ka na or wala ka pang audience. Sign number 1. You tell stories even when no one's listening. Mahilig ka mag-share ng thoughts, magkwento, mag-caption ng malala. That's not just random, that's storytelling. Sign number 2. You overthink small details. Yung transitions, captions, color grading, iniisip mo lahat. Bakit? Kasi gusto mong magpakita ng ganda sa ibang tao. Sign number 3. You notice emotion and trends. Hindi lang to about sa sound or filter. You feel when something's real. That's creator instinct. Sign number 4. You want to help, not just entertain. Gusto mong i-uplift, mag-motivate, mag-share ng value. That's not trying hard. That's being intentional. Sign number 5. You tried to quit pero bumabalik ka pa rin kasi alam mong may parte ng sarili mo na nabubuhay kapag nagko-content ka. Kung kahit isa lang dito tinamaan ka, you are not here by accident. May boses ka, may story ka. You just haven't shared it fully yet. Create anyway. Grow anyway. You are built for this. If you are watching this, you are exactly you're supposed to be. It's me, Mr. Grim Reaper, and welcome in.